Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi Tata! Say hi! Say hi! Uy, grabe. We're busy with Tata. Kung ito nanonood niya, Iwawi. Nilalaro niya yung sabon. Kaya pinagalitan namin. So today, we're going to Robinson. Uy, nag-glow up. Wow, tumigil! Guys, nag-glow up kami. Tumigil bigla. It's been a long time not been doing so. We're going to video. Anong gawa mo yung picture? Hindi ako marunong gumawa ng picture. Oh, you want to go to SM, not Jollibee? No, we're going to Robinson, Tata. You're going to Robinson now?
Ay, dapat nagbaon kayo ng ng t-shirt. Jump kayo. Sa trampoline.
Jump. Yung jump.
Yeah.
You going to jump again?
Yeah. You want it?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
Where? Sa may madaming trampoline? Sa may madaming trampoline? Dun sa... I got something we like to. Don't get this up. Just go there. Big. Get something. No, you can. Just put your bag there. Go break. You can say, I got something. No, you can't play with the soap. Oh, surprise daw. Pikit daw. Ay, may extra clothes si Tata. Ay. Sure. I get diaper. Right. Say haha. I get something. Jump. Okay. Ang galing. Naglagay lang kami fur para mas aesthetic. Okay lang, baby.
Binili mo yan?
Yes. You can play with your slime. Dati pa. You can play with my slime. What? You can play with my slime, ate. Where's your slime? At home. You can play later. Okay.
Can you cut my part?
Huh?
Can you cut my part?
No.
There.
No, I'm editing by the way. I don't know how to edit. Mga. Okay. Bye. Anong bye? Sabi ko bye. Ay, naka-video pa. Okay, bye.
A few moments later.
We're here. Robinson again. Yeah. Nag-charge din kami ng mic. Ay, wow, yung bata. Let's go to Tata. Tata! Tata! Tata, say hi! Tata! Where's our mic? No mic. We'll go play, Tata. Wala may mga case. Look ko, may mga case. Ang cute. Escalator. Right. Escalator. Okay, go. We go. I go here. Hoy, dito yun eh. Dito yun. Ano picture natin? Ayan ang picture natin. Di ako marunong doon? Okay, wait lang. Okay, here. Dito tayo ulit. Be, something ulit tayo. I miss this place, bro. Nag-vlog na kayo. Ay, wow! Excited si Tata. So, it's another day. Oh. Grabe tawa na. Kailangan ng guardian. Origin.
You are 13 years old, diba?
Yeah. In Tata. Di ba kailangan 18?
Tata will not play. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You have no socks. Oh, will not play.
Sila ma'am, pwede sila na rin ba mag-garden? Hindi po kumakapat.
Ito yung garden.
Sila pong 13 makakapat. Pero yung bata na yun, kailangan po na may isang garden.
Papasok ko sa isa. Wala ako ano. Eh, diyan, ito may gusto. Ayaw. Ang gamit. Hindi, upo ka lang dyan.
Kailangan po
Ayaw ko ba? Upo lang dyan.
yung dalawang 13 makakapat.
13 ka na daw. Parang nasa ano kami? Wala. So, the pangalan of this, look.
Yan yung shoes dito daw, yung bag dun sa loob. Sama mo dito.
Natin yan.
Ito yan yan.
Grabe.
Sama mo nitong lahat.
Yung gamit, sa loob na ni.
Yaya siya.
Dito. Let's go. Feeling ko makakalis yung mic habang naglalaro tayo. Nakamadbet nga ni! Habang nag-handstand tayo dun. Yung damit lang. Trampoline. Saan si Tata? Doon, sa slide. Oh my God! Video, makastop. Okay. Gawin natin to, oh. Sa atin sa paan. Ha? Gante. Oh! Oh, Tata! Ayun, bantayin mo si Tata. Oh! 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 Teka nga lang. Oh my God! Ba't hindi pantay? Dito ako. Di pantay yung tali. Diyan ka, ako dito. Tata, you can do it. Stupid. Slobe. Put your socks on first. Put your socks on. Gusto ko maglaro doon eh. May tao eh. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Uy, bisit ka! Uy, bisit ka! Yung mic mo, be. Takot ako baka mahulog to. Gawa lang ito kasi. Masaya ka na. Okay. Hindi ka lang sasalita sa mic. Wait lang! Wait lang kasi. Okay, let's go guys. Grabe. Okay. We're jumping. And jumping. Jumping. Tao. Ay. Uy, B! Ang labo naman sa akin. Uy! 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 Stop! Okay. Nakakapagod guys. Gusto ko di na tayo mag-mic. Kasi ano eh. Everything's solid. War. Going why? I can be water.
Let's try
Ang dami ko naman tawag eh.
equals and the needs. I like to equals and the needs. I like to equals and the needs.
Ano kapag nabawalan ulit tayo?
I like to eat equals and the needs. I like to eat equals and the needs. Let's try a long I sound now. I will say banana. I like to I will say banana. I like to
Bye-bye. Bye, guys.